This is how my hair looks like without anything and kapag tuyo. Buti na lang, Lux Organics released their new hair mousse which made my hair volumizing and define my curls. To use it, re-wet your hair and make sure it's dripping wet. Next is to get your Lux Organics Curl and Define Essence. Get a right amount for your hair. Apply it evenly to your hair. Then scrunch it upwards briefly. Follow it up by using the Lux Organics hair mousse. Get the right amount and apply it evenly to your hair. Continue to scrunch upwards until your desired curl pattern to define and lock your curls. Alam niyo ba that the Lux Organics Curl and Define hair mousse has lots of benefits? It helps define curls for bouncy curly hairstyles. It also strengthens and hydrates hair. It helps manage frizz and unruly strands. It also offers long-lasting holds, and last, it is lightweight and non-sticky. After all that, you dry your hair using a microfiber or a cotton towel. You can also use a diffuser which will help you achieve the result even faster. And here's the final look. Look how bouncy and defined my curls are. Shiny din siya kung mapapansin nyo. And if you're following me since then, matagal ko nang gamit yung Curl and Define Essence. And I'm happy to know that they have released this new hair mousse to help define your hair even more. Look how healthy my hair compared kanina na sobrang dry and frizzy. This is my hair looks like in the afternoon after I applied the products in the morning. And that's it! How about you guys? Have you tried the new Lux Organics hair mousse? Curly girl approved ba like me? Let me know. Comment below. Bye!